Hi guys. So, I've been wanting to do this for a long time and I'm finally doing it. I'm going to be doing a night routine. Well, Poppy's night routine. I'll tell you who she is. This is Poppy and she's playing with her slime right now. And while she's playing with her slime and being happy, I thought that I can make her tea. So, let's put you there. So I think today you might not see my head, by the way, because like this kitchen is so small for me now. So I think we're gonna put in some like tomatoes. Okay, get that preheated. Put some tomatoes in. And then I'm just gonna she likes tomatoes very dry for some reason. So I'm just squeezing out the dry or the juiciness. Okay. Then we're gonna get her a plate right here. She likes pink, just like me. And I think we're gonna boil an egg in. I put the egg in here because it's kind of like an egg holder, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the egg in there for now. Okay, so that's done. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna take these and put them on her plate. By the way, guys, I know that Poppy isn't a real baby, and I know, and these are not real kitchens, they're just toy ones, so they're not actually hot, but yeah, I'm just pretending basically. So we've done that, put that in, and I think we need something extra on our plate, so I'm just going to put in some peas. She hates peas, by the way, but I have to give her some, every single lunch time and tea time. So that's her tea done. Now I'm just going to, so I've got this kind of DIY table right here, just basically a box with tons of food in it. Sorry for the aiming, by the way. I'm just going to put that her slime over there. Come on, sit up, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Hi, camera. So, yeah, we're just going to move this box to her area. So, yeah, just move this box. You've got to sit it properly. Is it the pillow that's annoying you? Okay. There we go, that's better. We're just going to put the pillow. Right. Now that we've done that, I'm going to serve her food. Go. Put the egg right here. And I also forgot to give her a drink, so I'm just going to do that. I think we're just going to put it in a sippy cup because she's only 4 years old. And so, yeah. I'm just going to put some orange juice in it. I already had orange juice in this, but don't worry, I did fill it in before I recorded, so yes. Right, just give her this sippy cup. Right, enjoy eating. I see you when she's eaten. Okay, so she's finished. Surprisingly, for some reason, she ate only half of the egg. She really likes the egg, and she has drank all of her juice, which is good. So I think I'm just gonna put this in the fridge probably. But yes, so put that in the fridge. Sorry for my aiming. I'm just sorting the food out. There we go. Right. Now we're just going to put these in the sink for now. And, okay, so now I'm just going to move the table back to where it was. So, here. Then after she's had her bath, no, tea, she's going to have her bath. She doesn't really like really deep baths, so just give her this carrier. By the way, I'm not putting actual water in it. It's just a role play, okay? And, yeah, so I'm not going to film her, like, actual getting in part, but I will put some flannels for her, so, like, you don't see her actual body. So, I'll show you when I've done that. Let's go. Okay, so she's all like bundled up in that. And so I'm just going to wash her and then I'll show you when she's out of the bath. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, so she's back into her dress. She likes wearing like the stuff she was wearing like that day for sleep. So it's kind of weird, but let's say I do that sometimes. But next, I'm going to fold up all the flannels. So, just untucking stuff, and it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. But, you know, I was trained, well, I've got the experience because, like, I don't know why I have the experience. Like, I haven't done it, like, for a long time. So, yeah, but I have done it a few times. So, yeah. I'm just going to put a cap on there. And I'm going to put them where they go. And then I'll see you then. Bye. Well, don't leave, please. I'm just going to show you this. And then I'll pause on. Well, I'm going to edit that. Okay, so I've just done that, and now I'm going to put her to sleep. So what I just do, sorry it's so dark, it's the actual night time, so bring her into her room. She does have a bunk bed, but it's okay because there is railings, so she can't fall off. Oh, and she's got lots of stuffies. As you can see, like, she's addicted to stuffies. So, I'm just going to put you here. You probably can't see me, but it's worth a try. So I'm just going to, like, pull this and then pull the duvet. Okay, I'll see you when I've done that because it's too frustrating. Okay, so I've done that. And then when she goes to sleep, of course I do this. I turn off the light and good night, guys. That is the end of her bedtime routine. So bye guys, have a great day.